Who doesn't love cute cats and sweet dogs? These furry friends have a knack for stealing our hearts and filling our homes with joy. This video is all about celebrating these beloved pets, exploring everything from their quirky habits to their unique personalities. We'll uncover fascinating facts about cats and dogs, offering a fresh perspective on these popular companions. So whether you're a lifelong pet owner or someone who simply appreciates the charm of these animals, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of cats and dogs. Cats, the mysterious and elegant creatures that have captivated humans for thousands of years. Let's dive into the intriguing world of felines. Cats have been around for quite some time. In fact, the first evidence of domesticated cats dates back to nearly 9,000 years ago in Cyprus. Since then, these creatures have been worshipped as gods in ancient Egyptian culture and have been seen as symbols of independence and wisdom in various mythologies. Now, let's talk about some of the unique traits cats possess. One of their most fascinating abilities is their night vision. Have you ever noticed how a cat's eyes glow in the dark? This is because of a layer of cells in their eyes known as the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light and enables them to see 6 times better than humans in low light. It's like having built-in night vision goggles. Cats also have a distinctive communication style. Unlike dogs, cats do not use vocalizations as their primary means of communication. Instead, they rely heavily on body language. For instance, a slow blink from a cat is equivalent to a human smile, a sign of trust and affection. On the other hand, a twitching tail can indicate irritation or excitement. So, if you've ever wondered why your cat seems aloof, it might just be that you're not fluent in cat yet. Another fascinating aspect of cats is their grooming habits. Cats spend nearly 1/3 of their waking hours grooming themselves. This is not just about cleanliness. Grooming helps them regulate their body temperature, stimulate blood flow, and even reduce stress. In terms of behavior, cats are solitary hunters. This explains why they tend to be more independent and less social compared to dogs. But don't be fooled. Cats can form strong bonds with their human caretakers and show affection in their own unique ways. So that's a glimpse into the enigmatic world of cats. Whether you're a seasoned cat owner or just a curious observer, there's always something new to discover about these remarkable creatures. They continue to enchant us with their grace, agility, and mysterious allure. Now, let's switch gears and talk about man's best friend, dogs. From the bustling streets of New York to the tranquil countryside of Tuscany, dogs have been an integral part of our lives for millennia. Their history with humans dates back to prehistoric times when our ancestors first domesticated wolves. Over thousands of years, these wolves evolved into the diverse breeds we know and love today, from the tiny Chihuahua to the majestic Great Dane. While their appearances vary widely, all dogs share an incredible sense of smell. Their noses are marvels of nature, containing up to 300 million olfactory receptors compared to a mere 6 million in humans. This means they can detect scents we can't even fathom. It's why we use them in search and rescue missions, for sniffing out drugs and explosives, and even for detecting diseases like cancer. It's safe to say that without their keen noses, our world would be a much different place. But what truly sets dogs apart is their unwavering loyalty to humans. They're the only animals that will follow our pointing gestures, showing a unique understanding of human communication. They'll stay by our sides through thick and thin, their tails wagging with pure joy at the mere sight of us. They'll protect us from danger, comfort us in times of distress, and greet us with unbridled enthusiasm after a long day. Whether they are service dogs guiding the visually impaired, therapy dogs soothing the anxious, or simply beloved pets making our lives brighter, dogs enrich our lives in countless ways. Their boundless energy, their unconditional love, their infectious zest for life, these are the things that make dogs not just pets, but family. So next time you see a dog, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable creatures. Look into their eyes, and you'll see a world of love and loyalty that is truly awe-inspiring. Indeed, dogs are truly special, and they've earned their title as man's best friend. Have you ever wondered how cats and dogs differ from each other? Well, let's dive in and explore the intriguing world of our favorite furry companions. Cats and dogs have different behaviors. Cats are independent creatures, often content with their own company, while dogs are pack animals, thriving on social interactions and physical activities. Cats show their affection subtly, perhaps a gentle purr or a slow blink, while dogs wear their hearts on their paws, wagging their tails, licking faces, and jumping for joy. When it comes to their needs, cats and dogs diverge as well. Cats require less maintenance and can be left alone for longer periods. They're self-groomers and need less frequent bathing than dogs. Dogs, on the other hand, need regular walks, playtime, and more attention to their grooming needs. Cats are nocturnal, more active during dawn and dusk, and can have periods of hyperactivity known as the zoomies. Dogs are diurnal and most active during the day, with their energy levels and sleep patterns more aligned with humans. Now, let's talk about how these animals interact with us. Cats are more subtle in their communication. They show their affection in their own unique ways, such as rubbing against your legs or curling up next to you. Dogs, on the other hand, are more overt in their interactions. They're more likely to come when called, respond to commands, and show their affection openly. It's important to remember that these are general tendencies, and individual cats and dogs can vary greatly. Some cats might be more sociable, and some dogs might be more independent. The key is to understand and respect their unique personalities and needs. In terms of intelligence, both cats and dogs are highly intelligent in their own ways. Cats are solitary hunters and have developed problem-solving skills, while dogs, as pack animals, have evolved to understand social cues and work in groups. As you can see, while they have their differences, both cats and dogs make wonderful companions. Each has its own charm, and whether you're a cat person, a dog person, or both, there's no denying the joy and love these pets bring into our lives. But did you know that owning a cat or a dog comes with health benefits? It's true. Both feline and canine companions bring a wealth of positive influences on our health, both physically and mentally. Let's start with the physical benefits. Dogs, known for their active nature, are excellent motivators for their owners to engage in regular physical activities. Walking your dog is not just a chore, it's an exercise that promotes cardiovascular health. It keeps your heart pumping, helps maintain a healthy weight, and strengthens your muscles and bones. But what about cats, you might wonder? Cats may not require walks, but their playful nature encourages their owners to engage in interactive play, keeping them active too. Moreover, owning a pet, be it a cat or a dog, can also lower your blood pressure. Studies have shown that the mere act of petting a cat or a dog can trigger the release of calming endorphins in your body, which in turn can lower your heart rate and blood pressure. The purring of a cat in particular has been found to have a soothing effect, which can contribute to reducing stress and anxiety. Speaking of stress and anxiety, let's delve into the mental health benefits of owning a cat or a dog. The companionship they provide can significantly reduce feelings of loneliness and depression. Their unconditional love, loyalty, and the joy they bring can be a great source of comfort, improving overall mood and emotional well-being. Furthermore, pets, especially dogs, can facilitate social interactions. Taking your dog for a walk or to the park often leads to conversations with other pet owners or dog lovers, thus expanding your social network and improving your social skills. And let's not forget, the responsibility of taking care of a pet can instill a sense of purpose, routine, and structure in your day-to-day life, which can be particularly beneficial for mental health. So not only do they bring joy into our lives, but they also contribute to our well-being. So if you needed another reason to love our furry friends, there you have it. The health benefits of owning a cat or a dog are truly remarkable. We've covered a lot of ground today about our furry friends. We started by introducing you to the fascinating world of cats and dogs, two species that have been living alongside humans for centuries. They've been our companions, our confidants, and our sources of endless amusement. We delved into the enigmatic world of cats, those majestic and mysterious creatures with their aloof demeanor and agile grace. We discussed their unique traits, their captivating behaviors, and their uncanny ability to make us fall in love with them, despite their sometimes perplexing antics. Then, we turned our attention to the loyal and loving world of dogs. We explored their diverse breeds, their playful nature, and their unwavering loyalty. We talked about how they wear their hearts on their sleeves, always eager to please and ever ready to offer comfort and companionship. We also compared the two, highlighting their differences and similarities. We noted how each has its unique charm, yet both offer immeasurable joy and companionship to their human families. Lastly, we touched on the health benefits of owning these adorable creatures. We discussed how they not only bring joy and happiness, but also contribute to our mental and physical well-being in so many ways. Whether you're a cat person, a dog person, or both, there's no denying the incredible bond between humans and their pets. Until next time, keep pampering your furry friends.